Have you ever wondered how a tiny box, sitting quietly in the corner of your kitchen, became one of the most influential inventions of modern life? We use it almost every single day, reheating food, making tea, melting butter, yet very few of us pause to think about how this machine transformed the world. Today is National Microwave Oven Day, observed every year on 6th December. But the real story behind the microwave is far more dramatic, far more accidental, and far more scientific than most people realize. So in this video, let's break it down logically: the invention, the science, the misconceptions, and finally, the best microwaves you can buy in 2025. Let's begin. The year was 1945. World War II had just ended. Inside a military research lab at Raytheon in the United States, an engineer named Percy Spencer was working on a device called the magnetron, a crucial component used to generate microwaves for radar systems. During one experiment, Spencer noticed something unusual. A chocolate bar in his pocket had started melting. Most people would shrug and blame the heat from the machine, but Spencer didn't. He got curious. So he placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron. They popped instantly. Then he placed an egg. It exploded due to rapid heating. That moment sparked one of the greatest kitchen inventions in history. In 1947, the first commercial microwave oven was launched. It was called the Radar Range, a huge machine the size of a refrigerator, weighing nearly 350 kilograms and costing the equivalent of 3 lakh rupees today. Clearly, it wasn't something a normal family could own. It took almost 30 years of engineering improvements, shrinking the size, improving safety, and reducing the cost, before microwaves finally entered common households in the 1980s. Now let's understand the science in simple, logical terms. Inside every microwave is a device called a magnetron, which generates electromagnetic waves at a frequency of 2.45 gigahertz. When these microwaves hit your food, they cause water molecules to vibrate extremely fast. This vibration produces heat, a process known as dielectric heating, and that's why microwaves cook food so quickly. The heat is generated inside the food, not around it. This also explains why food sometimes heats unevenly. Microwaves bounce around the chamber and form hot spots and cold spots. To counter this, the turntable rotates the food to even out the heating. There's no magic, no mystery, just physics. Technology that becomes common often becomes misunderstood. Microwaves are no exception. So let's address the popular myths, logically. Myth 1. Microwaves cause cancer. False. Microwaves are non-ionizing radiation. They cannot damage DNA and therefore cannot cause cancer. Myth 2. Microwave food becomes radioactive. Again, false. Microwaves only make molecules vibrate. They don't alter particles or create radiation inside food. Myth 3. Microwaves destroy nutrients. In reality, microwaving often preserves more nutrients because it uses less water and cooks faster. Boiling vegetables for long periods destroys far more vitamins. Myth 4. Microwave leakages are deadly. Modern microwaves have multiple safety interlocks. If the door is even slightly misaligned, the magnetron shuts off instantly. So yes, microwaves are safe, efficient, and one of the most environment-friendly cooking technologies in everyday use. Our lifestyles have changed dramatically. More people live alone, work late hours, rely on leftovers, and prefer quick meals. This makes the microwave a perfect tool. Fast, efficient, saves electricity, saves time, and reduces cooking effort. In many countries, microwaves aren't just for reheating. They are used for steaming vegetables, baking cakes, making pasta, boiling rice, roasting potatoes, and even disinfecting kitchen sponges. In India, Many households still see the microwave as a luxury appliance, but in reality, it has become an essential convenience for students, working professionals, and busy families. So now that it's National Microwave Oven Day, let's look at some data-backed microwave recommendations for 2025. First, Samsung 28-liter convection, model MC28A5145VK. This one is ideal for bigger families, perfect for baking and roasting. Second, IFB 30-liter convection, model 30BRC3. It's got a large capacity, a strong auto-cook menu, and is excellent for multi-stage cooking. Third, Samsung 23-liter grill microwave. It's a good mid-range option, perfect balance of reheating and light grilling. Fourth, Panasonic 20-liter Solo, model NN-ST26JMFDG. This one is budget-friendly and ideal for basic reheating, so it's perfect for students or bachelors. And finally, Panasonic 20-liter Solo, model NN-ST266BFDG. This is the lowest cost option with reliable performance, best for small kitchens or PGs. You can categorize them as budget mid-range or premium convection so viewers can pick easily. So that's the complete story of the microwave oven, but National Microwave Oven Day is not just about celebrating a kitchen appliance. It's a reminder of something much bigger, something we often forget. Innovation doesn't always happen in a lab surrounded by geniuses. Sometimes it begins with a simple question: why did this happen? A melted chocolate bar could have been ignored. But one man chose curiosity over carelessness. And that curiosity created a technology that saves billions of hours of human time every single year. So, on this National Microwave Oven Day, don't just appreciate the convenience, appreciate the mindset that created it. Because technology can change your life, but curiosity can change the world. Thank you so much for watching the video.